Hi, tribe. Today it is the start of another week. We are on distance learning week number 6. Hope you had a good weekend and are ready to get started. So let me take you through what we are going to be doing this week. All right, I'm going to share my screen with you. All righty. So schedule, you want to be referencing the week of May 4th through May 8th, which I will send out in an email Monday morning. Go back to this email every single day to access your assignments. So we're going to go right to Tuesday for social studies. You are going to be completing part 2 of the MAP Challenge 3. And so you did the first 5 on Thursday. And so you're going to be moving right into the second set of 5. It's going to look very similar in the sense of the format. Remember to look at the maps closely in order to answer each question. So when you go to the Monsoon Google Form link, okay, you will see this. Again, put your first and last name in and your class period, and then you'll begin with that activity. After you do that, then you can access the weekend wrap for May 1st, because again, they come out on Friday, so we're actually checking them out the following week. And then that's pretty much it for Tuesday. Again, I will meet and Zoom with you at 10:45, and I'll send out a link on Tuesday. And then again on Thursday, we'll Zoom. For your assignments on Thursday, you are going to be using, again, go into this sheet because it will guide you through all the links you're going to need, because there are several. So let me go through them with you. There is a reading and presentation. We're going to take a look at some of the cultural elements of Latin America, starting with Mexico City. And to begin your lesson, you will read pages 141 and 142 from the link below. Okay, so the link takes you into a PDF, and it talks about spatial inequality in Mexico City. And it focuses on the varying ways that people are living, from cardboard homes to castles. So those with and those without, and it's pretty fascinating reading. So you're going to read that, and then after reading those pages, you're going to take a look at a presentation, and this is going to help you to better understand some of the geography terms, geo terms, that you are going to learn in task number 2. So when you click the presentation link, then it's going to take you to the Prezi. Okay, and again, you're going to have this whole interactive opportunity to learn more about Mexico City. Okay, and you'll just click through and take a look and do the variety of things within this presentation. When you are done with that, you're ready for task 2. Latin America geoterms. So it's time to learn some new geoterms, and you have 2 options for completing this task. You will be using a Quizlet to find your definitions, and this link is also included in the geoterm page. Okay, so this Quizlet, when you click into that link, it's going to take you to the terms. So you're going to see urbanization, rural decline, spatial inequality, which you should have gleaned from the article, heart of the city, outskirts, slums, tenements, urban, rural, standard of living, high standard of living, low standard of living, developed country, and developing country. So then you are going to do either option 1 or option 2. So option 1, click on the digital geoterm link and type your answers directly onto the page. Copy the link to your page and upload it to your team's assignment page, okay? Or option number 2, print a copy of the digital geoterm link and write your answers, or write on a separate piece of paper, take a picture, and then upload it to your team's assignment page. So when you click into the digital geoterm link, it's going to have you make a copy and look like this. And again, you can decide how you want to, upload your final assignment. But you can see there's a link here that you can use to take you back to the Quizlet for the definitions. You're going to record each of the definitions, and then you're going to use the geoterm in a sentence and include Mexico City in your sentence, okay? And then going back here, you're going to use the Team Monsoon link here to upload your finished work. Satisfactory score is completing both columns of the geoterms, and need to see that effort with using Mexico City and the geoterm defined within your sentence, okay? Once you finish that, if you haven't checked out the weekend wrap, you can make sure you're logged in through your Dairy Township Google account and check out the video. That will then wrap up your assignments for social studies this week. Again, on Monday, this document that I've just explained will be sent out to you Monday morning just prior to 8 a.m. And then on Tuesday, I'll remind you of our tasks and our Zoom meeting. And if we're going to have a team activity again on Friday, we will be sending you that information as well. So have a great week. Hope you're learning a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and by email or at the Zoom meeting. I'll answer any questions that you have. So guys, it has been fun, and I look forward to seeing you this week. Say goodbye, you. Oh. Okay, guys. See ya.